Okay, now it's time to close my above ground pool. It's almost November, it's mid October now. I live in South in Tennessee, and it's now very cold in here, and we are expecting below 27 Fahrenheit next week, so I need to just close it. I visited the pool store yesterday. They said I don't need to add any anti-freeze chemicals, so I will just clean up, vacuum, add some shocks, and we'll close it. And I need to make sure that the water level is below those two holes. They must be below in that, and then I will disconnect my water pump and I will just close it. First, I'm going to remove that ladder. We don't need it anymore. Oh. Unfortunately, there is a big tree right above the pool. It was the only place that I could install my pool, and after a very big rain last night and this morning, the entire pool is messed up. Now it takes a lot of time to clean up before closing it up. Okay, in addition to adding shock to the pool, we will also use that Clorox winter pool ball into the pool, and then it will keep your pool clean all year long. So there's a little pin. You need to pull it in, put it in the hole right here, and you just need to push it down. Yes. Let me try. Okay, when you hear that sound, and then it's ready now, we will just go ahead and put it in the pool.